You guys, I am back with more videos. I've been out of it for many reasons, including that I've been busy trying to make new products for my website. I have some new resin products, my regular products like my crowns, but also because my computer got damaged. Wasn't able to fix it, so I've had to wait to get on the computer, which I haven't, but I'm doing this video because it's going to be so short, but I do have a bunch of other videos I have to upload. So yeah, look out for those. My computer is so old that I've actually had to fix it twice myself. The last time my brother fixed it, and all the times that it got damaged, it had the black screen of death. But this time it's just, there's no fixing it. So yeah, so this video I'm going to braid finally my money tree. And look at this, they've gotten very long. See this? So I'm gonna take this off, and hopefully I braid it correctly, because they've been getting long for a while. So I took this off. I'll use this for when I'm done, and let's go ahead and start. You guys, this was so fucking hard. I don't even know if I did it right. I was able to braid it a little bit. The only thing is that one of the branches did break. I'm hoping that me tying it like this, it can like heal and not like fall off. I'm gonna cut some of the branches off and stuff, because there's so many growing up top that it's gonna get very crowded up here. But as you can see, some of them broke off while I was braiding it. This is very hard. I'm gonna have to look at some other videos and see how other people do it. This does have 1 2 3 4 5 3 4, yeah, it's very hard to braid with 5. So I did a little bit. I'm gonna let it grow so that it can take the form of the braid that I did up here, and I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut a few, make sure that it's clean, and hopefully it will keep growing and I didn't F this tree over too badly. I've had this for quite a while, so it has been growing very healthy. And let me see if you guys can see. You can see a lot of the new growth. It does have a lot of new growth actually, right here, up here. So yeah, that's one of the other reasons I want to get rid of some of the ones that might be in the way. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you have a money tree, and you have any tips, let me know. Have you tried braiding it before? The bigger that it gets, let me know what you guys do. Let me know what makes it easier, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Keep a lookout for a bunch of videos that I will be uploading. Talk to you later. Bye.